Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. This bike has just under 9,200 miles on it and it is in incredible condition. Doesn't show any tip over or laid down damage, but it is a little scuffed up. I'm kind of thinking that the owner didn't realize there's special matte finish cleaner that's out there, and maybe they tried to clean it with something that they shouldn't have. But I mean, it's really minor, so, and it's really not that obvious, but we can kind of tell it is got a little scuffing to it. So we'll walk around it. I'll show you what I'm talking about, show you the highlights on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. I mean, they have dressed up this bike nice. They've done some nice stuff to it. So comes with the LED headlights, dark tinted windscreen. Front tire still in good shape. Got plenty of miles left on that one. You can kind of see a little bit of it here. I mean, it's very minimal. Highway bars, footboards for the driver, aftermarket Harley air cleaner, a fuel pack 3 in it, wrapped Bassani slip-on, OEM hard bags, rear mounting hardware, trunk, backrest, hard to say. I think you can do a couple of different things with that stuff. We will be putting a new rear tire on this bike. There's that Bassani pipe. And again, highway bars, footboards for the driver. It's got the lower air deflectors. Scratch here in the windscreen. The other thing this bike does come with are blacked out 16-inch apes. This bike is also Bluetooth programmable. And I did just notice here we've got a couple of little fine chips on the tank guard here. But like I said, it's all real minor. This denim road glide will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Harley from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.